To embed a video on Squarespace, navigate to the page where you want to add it and click the Edit button in the top left corner. The page enters edit mode and you'll see plus icons marking insert points between your content blocks. Hover over the area where you want your video to appear. Click the plus icon that shows up. A block menu will pop up with different content options like text, image, video, and button. Click on Video. An empty video block appears on your page with a pencil icon. Click that pencil icon to open the block editor panel showing your video upload options. In the Content tab, click the plus icon or add a video button. You'll see a menu with three options: Upload, File, Select from Library, and Add from Link. Click Add from Link. A field appears asking for your video URL. Go to your video on YouTube or Vimeo, copy the URL from your browser's address bar, then paste it into that field using Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac. Once you paste the link, Squarespace validates it and displays a message saying successfully located, and you'll see a thumbnail preview of your video. You can adjust optional settings in the block editor if you want things like adding a description or changing the thumbnail. These settings update in the preview as you change them. When you're done, click outside the block editor panel to close it. Your changes save automatically and the video now appears embedded on your page. In the top left area, click the Save button to exit edit mode. Preview your page to see how visitors will see it and confirm the video displays correctly. Here are a few important things to keep in mind. If your embedded video isn't showing up, check that the video on YouTube or Vimeo isn't set to private. It needs to allow embedding. If you upload a video file directly instead, you get 30 minutes of free high-resolution video storage, so monitor your quota in your site settings if you're uploading multiple videos. Finally, consider adding a text block above or below your video with context or a description for search engines.